Hello students, here I welcome you for our virtual class and our today's topic is the Phantom Tollwood. Okay, and this book is written by the Norton Juster. Who has written? Norton Juster. Norton Juster get born in 1929. He just gone born 1929 and he get died on March 8 to 2021. It just last year. Okay, last year he get died, and he was okay. He was an American academic architect and architect and writer. Okay, and he was just well-known author. Okay, well-known author for a children book. He was a well-known author for the children book, famously The Phantom Tollbooth and The Dodge and the Lion. These are all these are the description about. This is what description about the Norton Juster. Okay, so what? Now we are going to start with the chapter. Milo. Here the Milo is a young boy. Here there is a picture of a Milo. Milo is a young boy who lived in San Francisco in the States. In the States means in America, United States of America. In San Francisco, there was a young boy who lived. The name of that boy is a Milo. He lacked for nothing. He lacked for nothing means he is belonging from a wealthy family. Okay, wealthy, but he has everything in his house because he was the only one child at their home, and which is around, and he has all expensive toys. So students, from this what you come to know, because this story is belonging at that time where there is no laptop and mobile. अभी तो किसी के पास मोबाइल रहेगा तो 2 दिन भी बिना खाए पिए बच्चे रह सकते. Such kind of addictions were there, such kind of generation. Okay, but Milo was expensive toys, and even in school too, there was nothing that he complained about. In school also, he always complained about that Milo was get bored. Nothing really interested him. He is not interested in anything. What he thought that everything as a waste of time, and school is a waste of time of all. वो इतना बोर हो गया था, इतना बेइंटरेस्ट, इतना बोर हो गया था. What he started to say that the school going is the greatest waste of time. Who said? The poor Milo. Then later on, there is nothing for me to do the nowhere. What the Milo says that there is nothing is there to do for me, and hardly he just anything saying, he thought. So means what he's saying, he has so many expensive toys he has. He don't like to school. So means only expensive toys. From this we come to know that he is belonging from such generation where when the video games and computers are not invented. Suddenly what happened? In a long afternoon, Milo received a huge parcel, and in that huge parcel on a bright blue envelope it is attached, and what is written in that for Milo who has a plenty of time. मतलब ये गिफ्ट किसके लिए है? उनके लिए है. The Milo, for the Milo who has so many time. Then the Milo thinking, I don't think so, because suddenly if you will got a gift, then you started to think, is it my birthday? No. Did I think a very good thing? No. Then why I got this parcel? In the same way, Milo is also thinking, I don't think it is my birthday. He just started to think that. Christmas is also gone away, and I haven't do any outstanding work. Even a good work also I have not done. So it means that what you come to know that Milo was an honest boy. Who was he? He was an honest boy, and he admitted further himself. But he could not return that parcel. See, suppose by mistakenly, if you got a wrong parcel, you can send it back because the name has written. उसके ऊपर names लिखा रहता है. But here there is no name was written to whom he get returned to it. So that they just in order to polite, Milo decided to open that envelope. And what is the one genuine turnpike toll booth? What it was? It was a toll booth, and he means just like is shown in this picture. This was a toll booth, and the Milo easily arranged that toll booth. Okay, then easily assembled at home and for use by those who have never traveled in lands beyond. मतलब किसके लिए जिन्होंने लैंड ये बियॉन्ड नहीं किया, मतलब he has not gone another side. Like you, Milo was intrigued. Intrigued means he just started to think why they have written. He get confused. What's the land beyond? And there are the rules and regulations were also written in that. What it is written that the first it was written that genuine tuck pine toll both be erected according to the direction. Erected according to the direction means whatever it is written, he kaise rehna ji, how it should be assembled, it should be written. Precautionary sign to be used in a precautionary fashion. Precaution wherever it is readed, you have to keep that sign that on a map up to date and carefully drawn by master cartographer depicting natural man-made feature. Cartographer student is a person who makes a map. जो map बनाते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Cartographer. So that on that map that you are supposed to draw a map, okay, and you are supposed to do it, and you have there is what it is written. There is a book for the traffic rules and regulation, and we are not supposed to break it. Everything is written in that book. Then, and in smaller letter at the bottom, it included result are not guaranteed, but if not perfectly satisfied, your wasted time will be refunded. Okay. जैसे भी देखो, if we play any game, students, हम लोग कौन सा भी अगर game खेलते, तो in that game we won. But what is written in this that the result is not guaranteed. You will win the game or you will lose the game. Okay, इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. But if you get bored, अगर तुम बोर होगे, then you will get your wasted time because game खेलने के लिए time तो लगता है. You will get that time again. Because Milo had nothing to do. Milo के पास तो कुछ था नहीं, वो already bored था. उसको लगता था school तो सबसे बड़ा waste of time. तो वो school भी नहीं गया था. Okay, so that though he arranged that was a proper booth with a window, roof, and a coin box, everything he arranged it. But what's the use? Milo thought, what is the use of it? Because हम लोग toll booth किधर रहता है? Highway पे रहता है. So there is no highway attached to the booth, never worthless. So Milo set up a precautionary sign, unfolded map, choose a destination. Means this one precautionary signs were there, destination was there. He took all the map along with it and he choose a randomly, कुछ भी choose, ऐसा fix करके नहीं choose किया. He chose randomly because he had never heard any of place shown on the map. तो पता ही नहीं था किधर है, कौन सा place है, कौन सा कहाँ पे जाना है. So randomly you choose. Then Milo was not sure that this new game will turn out to be interesting. However, as shown in this picture, he sat on a toy car. Uske paas jo toy, because at the beginning only we have said that he has a expensive car. In the same way, he sat on a toy car and he entered in a boat and he paid the toll with a coin. And the drove past the toll to booth, but he looked back. Oh, wonders of wonders, the toll booth had disappeared along with the Milo's room. He just entered. How it is shown in this picture, he entered in that toll booth. He goes back, okay? But when he sees back, he cannot see this toll booth as well as his room also. So he founded himself on a he founded himself on a highway. He founded himself on a highway. Then, okay, then he found himself speeding down highway on speed highway. He just goes on very speedily. Then what happened? These kinds of characters, are there in this story. So how they behave, how they did, everything you will going to learn, okay, by reading this book. So what happened next in the story of Norman Justice of this novel? So the Milo didn't knew that where he had begun his journey, the land of expectation, konsa wo land tha, okay, was is in the kingdom of wisdom, ek wisdom ka tha. He had how many kinds of adventures were there, rescues were there, even the prince's rhyme and reason from a castles of air was there. Whether he is successful in his mission or not, who were the strange people like shown, these were the strange people. What happened to the toll booth? Did Milo see it again? Did Milo find life interesting later on? If you wanted to find out answers of these questions, you should read this story. Otherwise, you can see a movie also. See, students, this novel Phantom Toll Booth, it is written 50 years ago. 50 years ago, ये story लिखी गई थी. Okay, but Norton Juster has written this book 50 years ago, but still it is continues in your studies. It is in your studies. It is a very fantasy, मतलब realistic नहीं है, ऐसे ही सोच के बनाई है. So this is a fantasy, but the important message for children to all over the world that it has helped them to look at their studies in a new light. जो लोग बोलते हैं कि स्टडी इज अ स्कूल इज अ प्लेस विद द वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, तो उन लोगों ने ये बुक पढ़ना चाहिए. रियली दे गेट अ समथिंग न्यू मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस बुक. Okay, from this book. Then here student, this is our book review. Get over